Hey guys, so today we got our first look at the Nokia 8.1 Plus, and these renders came from the reliable leakster on leaks. So the phone is set to pack a 6.22 inches of display and measures at 156.9mm in height, 76.2mm in width and 7.9mm in thickness. The chin is pretty small, but there is still a Nokia logo there. It appears HMD Global wants its phone to be easily recognizable since a lot of manufacturers will be using a similar design. On the back, the Nokia 8.1 Plus has dual cameras arranged vertically. They are car-size lens and there is an LED flash below the sensors. There is also a fingerprint scanner, a Nokia logo and the Android One branding on the glass-covered back. The phone has an audio jack at the top and USB Type-C at the bottom, flanked by a speaker grill on the left and a microphone on the right. And the volume and power button are right side on the frame. At this time, we don't know anything about the Nokia 8.1 Plus camera or internal specs. Unfortunately, 91 Mobiles also does not have any information about pricing or availability. The publication is under the impression that we should learn more about the Nokia 8.1 Plus in the coming weeks. So that is it for this video guys. Let me know what do you think about the upcoming Nokia 8.1 Plus. Also don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will see you in my next video.